welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Back with another video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications during this video. If you really like it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So today I decided to do I'm calling it a red-orange makeup look because I was trying to do an orange summer look and it just kept looking red on camera, so I just went with it. Hope you guys enjoy. Going ahead and doing some highlighting / concealing. I'm using Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and bake a little bit. It's been a while since I've baked. And I got some in my eye. Ouch. And I'm also just going in on separate parts of my face and mattifying. There I go, dropping some more. Now it's getting in my nose. So the reason why I was in this spot in the first place is because my daughter had her toys all over the place in the living room, and my room was kind of dirty, so I just did not want to clean it up or anything. Here I'm using the Stupid Left palette. Ah, no! They fell out. I was shook, guys, because they fell out, and I was just like, wait, what is that? And it's like a worst nightmare. Then I realized I actually dropped it in my restroom a few days before and couldn't be mad anymore. See, it does look red, but it's actually orange, and it's more like a neon orange too, so I'm actually really surprised that it came out red on camera. So as you can see, I moved spots. I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit, although my daughter was still around playing and just trying to be with me the whole time. Also, the sun and the blinds were driving me crazy. As you can see, I time-lapsed it, so I went ahead and got all my face done and also my... Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. That's exactly what was in my head at that time. I'm using Hard Candy's. It's in color blue mascara. It's been a long time since I've used Hard Candy, but I saw them online and I was just like, you know what? I want to get some of these. I haven't used them in so long, many years. And it honestly looked really pretty with the reddish orange.
This one is in Siren. That's what it's called, from Line Crime.
Super metallic, and it kind of made my lips look a little dry at a close-up, but I still liked the color. It just gave me a huge summer vibe. I ended up going in with a, I guess I could call this like a purple, or like, yeah, like a really deep purple, to line my lips a little bit. I wanted to go over just so it looked a little more fresh. Also, guys, I did my brows. It's just, oh my gosh, it's terrible. I like messed up completely because my brow pomade and mascara were in my purse, and I was just like, look, I want to go ahead and finish this video. And this spoolie I had got from Neonmakeup, and it comes in a pack. I also wanted to just go in and darken it a little bit, just some of my contour and everything. Since I had already went in with like a shimmery bronze, I wanted to go in with the mattifying one just to give me a little bit more of contour look. Thank you guys so much! Thank you so much for watching. Love ya. Bye.